Will Prince Andrew remain a royal? Prince Andrew is a duke. Who is a duke? The government is thinking. What is the government doing? Andrew may lead the royal line. Who might lead the royal line? People want to know why. What do people want to know? Reasons are not clear yet. Are the reasons clear? Let's learn 5 new words. Government. The group that leads a country. Consider. To think about something. Remove. To take away. Succession. The order in which people come next. Royal. Relating to a king or queen. Who is Prince Andrew? What might the government do? Are the reasons for removal clear?